In Tally Prime, a ledger is a bookkeeping entry that records a specific financial transaction. Ledgers are organized within groups to categorize transactions and maintain accurate financial records. You can create various ledger accounts to represent different types of transactions in your business. Here are some common ledger account names that you might use in Tally Prime. Sales. This ledger is used to record sales transactions. It tracks the revenue generated from selling goods or services. Purchases. The purchases ledger is used to record expenses related to purchases of goods for resale or for business use. Salary expenses. Under the expenses group, you can create a salary expenses ledger to record salary payments to employees. Rent expenses. This ledger tracks rental expenses for office space, equipment, or other leased assets. Bank account. Create ledgers for your bank accounts to record all financial transactions related to your business's bank activities. Cash in hand. This ledger is used to record cash transactions and keep track of the cash available in your business. Accounts payable. Under the liabilities group, this ledger is used to track the amounts your business owes to suppliers and creditors. Accounts receivable. Also under the assets group, this ledger tracks the amounts owed to your business by customers and clients. Utilities expenses. This ledger can be used to record expenses related to utilities like electricity, water, and gas. Interest income. If your business earns interest on investments or loans, you can use this ledger to track interest income. Depreciation. This ledger is used to record the depreciation of assets over time. Income tax payable. Under the liabilities group, you can create a ledger to track the income tax liability of your business. Sales returns. This ledger records returns or refunds issued to customers for returned goods. Bad debts. Under the expenses group, this ledger tracks the value of accounts receivable that are unlikely to be collected. Advertising expenses. This ledger is used to record expenses related to marketing and advertising activities. Travel expenses. You can create a ledger to track expenses related to business travel and accommodation. Loan payable. Under the liabilities group, this ledger tracks the amounts owed to lenders or financial institutions. Dividend income. If your business receives dividends from investments, you can use this ledger to record dividend income. Remember, these are just examples, and the specific ledger names you use will depend on your business's nature, industry, and accounting needs. It's important to set up your ledger accounts in a way that accurately reflects your financial transactions and helps you generate meaningful financial reports.